Welcome to MB Inc. I'm Mrinali Barbara, your interior designer. I'm today at Decor and Veneer, Haldigali, Andgaon, Guwahati. Like in today's interior world, the most in material now are the louvers. It comes in so many varieties that it really makes our space more full of utility, attractive, beautiful, and awesome. So here we have got a very good, unique, and awesome collection of louvers which I'll be showing you. So see, it comes with this combination of brown. You can show, and there are so many other good varieties. The black also you can use in your home decor. You can use it in your offices, in commercial spaces. You can use it in restaurant. You can use it in bar as well. You can use it anywhere and everywhere, wherever you feel that it gives a very unique look in one way, and other way it makes the space more attractive, because like the commercial and residential use of this particular material is very in now. So that is why if you really want to get a good material along with attractive prices, the varieties, do come here. Check out here the variety where you'd be getting an extensive range of these louvers, variety of colors, textures, and finishes. Here this side also they have got, see, there are so many, isn't it? So many, just you go through the wonderful collections, the color combinations. And if we panel the wall with these louvers, the walls really give a very good look. Like while entering your home also, if you got a small balcony, a particular wall you want to clad it, then you can use this material. It comes with the PVC finish also, like weatherproof also you can say to some extent. So extensively or in exterior also you can go with this particular material. And see, with some texture of say gold finish also it comes, so that way like it goes with the other interior of the property very well. And sometimes if you use it with your door, the wall, it really gives a very attractive look. So it is an one-stop hub for you to decor your home at Decor and Veneer, because they deal in plywood also and all the interior materials that you need to decorate, to design your home. And don't forget to contact us also to get the shopping assistance, shopping guidance, if you really don't want to go for the entire interior work. For that you can contact me, you can contact us, our team, and the Inc. Thank you so much.